Your car battery isn't designed to die in 3 years. It's designed to last 8 years. Yet, 70% of batteries on the road never make it that far. The real reason? Bad brands disguised as good deals. Today, I'm exposing 5 car battery brands that mechanics see fail again and again. The construction shortcuts, the fake ratings, and the one brand that used to mean quality, but now lives entirely on its old reputation. Then I'll show you 4 batteries that actually deliver 5+ years of reliable starts. And at the end, I'll reveal 2 mistakes that destroy any battery, even a premium one. Number 5. Older DieHard models. This catches people off guard. The name DieHard used to mean something. Years ago, these batteries were genuinely known for lasting, but things changed after the brand was sold and bounced between retailers. Now, the newer AGM models are actually strong. The DieHard Platinum AGM scored 86 in Consumer Reports testing, and the H5 AGM hit 91. But here's the important part. The older and lower tier models, that's where the problems live. DieHard Red, older DieHard Gold from the pre-AGM era. These use outdated flooded battery technology, sensitive to heat, vibration, and deep discharge. Instead of 4 to 5 years, problems start much earlier. Don't buy the name alone. Know the tier you're getting, because Exide has the same trap. Number 4. Entry-level Exide batteries. Exide is one of those names people trust without asking questions. Just get an Exide. But that advice is too broad. Exide makes very different batteries under the same name. Entry-level Exides are the most available. Basic flooded batteries sold in small shops or installed as quick roadside replacements. Built for affordability, not durability. So what changed? Today's vehicles have more electronics, higher power demand, even when parked. A basic Exide gets worn out trying to keep up. Many drivers notice a slow drop after 12 months. Some days it starts fine. Other days the engine cranks slower for no clear reason. That's your warning sign. Many of these are installed as emergency replacements. Car won't start, you grab whatever's available. You don't check specs. That's how they get you. But if you think a recognizable name guarantees quality, the next category gets even worse. Batteries with no real name behind them at all. Number 3. Budget store brands. These have names you've never heard of. No history, no reputation, no track record, just a low price that looks like a steal. Here's what's happening. Most are white label products. One factory cranks them out, stores slap their own sticker on top. Inside, it's always the same. Thin lead plates, low reserve capacity, weak cold cranking amps. In standardized testing, premium AGM batteries score in the high 80s and 90s. These budget batteries don't come close. But the real problem? Inconsistency. One might limp along for 2 years. Another dies in 8 months with zero warning. When your car won't start on a freezing morning, that $30 savings disappears instantly. You're not saving money. You're gambling with your only ride. But the trap isn't always a battery you've never heard of. Sometimes it's hiding inside a name you already trust. Number 2. EverStart Value Line. This one tricks people before they even buy it. They walk into Walmart, see the EverStart name, and assume they're getting the battery everyone talks about. But EverStart is split into tiers: Value, Plus, Max, and Platinum. Value is the absolute bottom, built for old cars with minimal electronics. Modern vehicles are the problem. Screens, sensors, modules, pulling power constantly, even with the engine off. The Value line isn't designed for that load. Gets drained deeper than it should, struggles to recover, loses strength fast. Internal build tells the same story. Thinner plates, weaker connections. Heat destroys these quickly. Compare this to the EverStart Max. Completely different internal build, completely different performance. Same brand name, very different battery. The mistake isn't choosing EverStart. It's choosing the wrong tier. If you're finding this useful, hit that like button. It pushes this information to drivers who need it. Subscribe because I'm about to show you 4 batteries I trust in my own vehicles. Number 1. Cheap, no-name batteries with fake ratings. At number 1, these don't even have a real brand. No history, no support, no way to trace where they were made. You'll find them in roadside shops, emergency jumpstart situations, and suspiciously cheap listings online. They all promise the same thing. Works like the big brands, costs half. they don't. Here's the shocking part. Known brands follow strict production rules. Every battery tested, quality controlled. With no-name batteries, that process is often missing or wildly inconsistent. You get a battery that might work today and fail without warning tomorrow. Then there's the ratings. Some claim 800 cold cranking amps on the label, but the engine struggles to start, especially first thing in the morning. The warranty? Absurdly short or not honored at all. Battery dies. You're on your own. These often contain recycled or low-grade internal materials, faster wear, shorter life, poor charging. It's not a bargain. It's a cycle you'll repeat sooner than you think. So those are the 5 battery types I'd think twice about. But there are better options out there. Batteries that are built to handle modern cars, daily driving, and the demands that actually matter. Number 4. Duralast Platinum AGM. Starting at number 4, Duralast Platinum AGM. Consistently scores well in Consumer Reports testing, hitting around 90 out of 100. For a store brand, that's impressive. The Platinum line uses AGM technology, handles deep discharges far better than traditional flooded batteries. Big deal if you run electronics or take short trips. Here's what stands out. 3 years free replacement warranty. The manufacturer believes in this product. Most drivers report solid multi-year performance, and since Duralast is exclusive to AutoZone, replacement is simple. Walk in, swap out. For a mid-range AGM, this punches well above its weight, but if you want something closer to factory-level thinking, the next one deserves a look. Number 3. AC Delco Gold, or Professional. AC Delco isn't just another aftermarket brand, tied directly to General Motors. These batteries match what many cars come with from the factory. Gold and Professional lines sit in a sweet spot. Not the cheapest, not the most expensive. Extremely well balanced. Stable power delivery, strong internal construction, consistent across climates. Here's something specific. If you own a BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC, or Ram, the AC Delco 49 AGM deserves attention. Built for larger engines and high electrical demand, more systems, more modules. It's not pushed beyond its limits. It's built for that load from day one. Stays stable year after year. That's the difference between replacing every 3 years and replacing every 6. Buy number 2, EverStart Max. Earlier, I told you to avoid EverStart Value. The Max is a completely different battery, Walmart's mid to high tier. For many everyday drivers, this is the one they keep coming back to. Serious starting power. Many models push 700 to 850 cold cranking amps. Your car starts strong even in freezing temperatures. Solid warranty, usually 3 years free replacement. But here's what matters. This battery handles real daily use. Stop-and-go traffic, short trips, screens and sensors, summer heat, winter cold. Internal build quality is significantly stronger than value, holds charge longer, recovers faster. Drivers don't buy this once, they buy it again. 8 years, under $200. That's serious value, but if reliability comes first, number 1 takes it even further. Number 1. Interstate Batteries, MTX Series AGM. At the top, Interstate, not just any Interstate, the MTX Series AGM. Interstate has been around forever, and there's a reason. These batteries are designed for one thing above all else: reliability. Not flashy, but absolutely dependable. That's what counts when you need your car to start every single morning without drama. The MTX 47H5 AGM scored 91 in Consumer Reports testing, one of the highest marks in the category. Verified, independent data, not marketing. Interstate batteries are especially good for vehicles demanding more power. Trucks, SUVs, heavy electronics, built to resist vibration and heat, which directly extends lifespan. Widespread availability means replacement is painless. No guessing about quality or batch consistency. Many drivers report 5 to 7 years of reliable use with AGM models. If you want a battery where the only thing you think about is the date 4 or 5 years from now, Interstate MTX AGM is the answer. But even the best battery can fail if you make these 2 mistakes. 2 mistakes that kill any battery, even the Interstate or AC Delco. Number 1, short trips only. Driving 5 to 10 minutes doesn't let your alternator fully recharge the battery after a start. Over weeks, the battery gradually loses capacity. Even a premium AGM weakens without a full charge cycle. Take a 20-minute drive at least once a week. Number 2, corroded terminals. So simple, so destructive. Corrosion blocks electrical flow. Even a high-rated battery struggles if terminals are covered in white or blue-green buildup. Clean with a wire brush, apply dielectric grease. 2 minutes. Saves a no start that has nothing to do with the battery itself. What battery brand are you running and how many miles is it on? Let me know in the comments. Your experience could help another driver make a smarter choice. And next week, I'm exposing the cabin air filter scam, the one dealerships charge a fortune for, even though you can replace it yourself in under 5 minutes. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel.